Hello guys, welcome to Data in a Nutshell. Today we are going to learn how to update Google document with the help of AppScript, and the text which we are going to update in the Google document, like in this case the text we are going to replace is tutorial name, and we are going to replace it with the text which is already present in Google Sheets in basic tab, for example. So let's get started. So first we are going to go to extensions in our Google Sheets and click on AppScript. It will send us to the apps editor where we are going to write our code. So this is the code we have written. So I've named the function basic in here because there's a very basic edit which we are going to understand. And in this function, what we are doing basically, we first creating a variable which will access the Google Sheets, right? So with the help of spreadsheets app.open URL and giving the URL of the Google Sheet, which is this, right? The URL of this sheet in here, and then telling that create a variable tab and give the tab name, which is the basic tab name, this, the tab name of your tab which contains the data in cell C3, right? So this is first part, and this is the second part in which we are giving the information regarding Google document. I've given the document URL, the URL of this document where your paragraph is present, right? Where the edit has to happen. In the second variable, we are creating a doc variable where we are calling the Google document with the help of doc ID. Then we are saying that this is the existing search that this script needs to check in the Google document, which is tutorial name. As you can see, we have a text here, tutorial name, and this text needs to be replaced with this text, tutorial name hyphen data in nutshell, right? So in the next line, what we are saying, we are basically trying to get the paragraph, all the paragraph first, and then we are basically giving the number of the paragraph in which the edit has to happen. So variable paras equals to doc is this, right? We are asking to get the body of the document. Body means everything here, control A, this is the body, right? So we are asking for the body. Then we are asking get the paragraphs. So it will fetch all the paragraphs. Paragraphs means, so for example, this is the first paragraph, hello everyone. Then this is the second paragraph, which is blank. This is third, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. So the paragraphs usually starts from 0 in Google document. This is the main thing which we need to take care, that when we are assigning the paragraph number, make sure you are starting from 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means the text which is basically present in paragraph 3, we want to edit that text, right? That paragraph basically. So that's why we have written 3 in this case, right? If your text is present in 5th or 10th or 12th, you will just change this number. Then we will say that this is a variable text where this paragraph, this third paragraph, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? The third paragraph, take that paragraph as text and save it in the text variable, right? And you can just ignore this. And then we are creating a new variable where we are saying the paragraph which we took as a text, in that paragraph, go and replace. And we have started a new regex query in which we are saying go and search for this term, which is tutorial name, search for this term, and this G means that we want to replace all the occurrences of this text in third paragraph. So if there are multiple text as tutorial name in the paragraph, it will change all of them at once. Then we are saying change to this, that is tab get range C3 dot get value. It is nothing, it is this text C3 which is present in basic tab in our Google Sheet. So we are saying search for this text and replace all the occurrences with this text. And after that, what we are saying, so basically this up to this line, everything is happening at the memory side and it is not updated in the Google document. Now we want to set the text which has been replaced in the Google, and that is why what we are saying, if new text is not equals to text, that means there is a separate text altogether in the Google document, right? In that case, go to the paragraph, this third paragraph, go to edit as text mode and then set the text in that paragraph to this, which is a new paragraph altogether. So just remember one thing, this is not only one word, this is whole paragraph. This is whole paragraph we are dealing with at the memory side. So complete paragraph will be replaced with the edited text. It will basically completely change the paragraph and update it with the new text which we want. So as you can see that the text name here is tutorial name. And if I go here and run it and check it, it will be changed to tutorial name hyphen data in nutshell. So for example, if there is some other text also with this A, B, C, D, something like that, and now I want to change it, I'll just go and run it and it will be changed. So it does not matter what text is basically coming after or before this particular existing text, it will replace complete paragraph with the updated one. I hope you understood the basic concept. In the next video, I'm going to create a script which will be helpful for people who deal with letter writing and they have to send it to the clients, with digital marketers, with a team which handles legal documents and they have to edit a lot of document manually. So everything will be automated with the help of Google Sheets, and lots of Google documents are going to be created in OneDrive and with the help of one script, and that is all. I hope you liked my video. Please like it, subscribe it. Thanks for watching.